Hello students, in previous classes I have started second chapter, that is partnership, and in that I have started 15 marks question, and today also we will discuss a problem which contains 15 marks. Pramod and Vinod are partners sharing their profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3 on 1/1/1996. Their capital stood at 40,000 and rupees 50,000 respectively. Interest on capital is 6% per annum. Commission of 2,400 per annum paid to Pramod. Interest on drawings rupees 200 and rupees 150 respectively. Net profit before adjustments is 14,000 rupees. For the year ending 31st/12/1996, drawings of Pramod is 5,000 rupees and Vinod is rupees 4,000. By this information we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account along with partners capital account in both methods, that is in fluctuating method as well as in fixed method. Here the information is given about their profits and losses ratio, that is 2:3, and the capital is 40,000 belongs to Pramod and 50,000 belongs to Vinod. Interest on capital is 6% per annum. The interest on capital is paid for the partners and that is 6% on their profit, that is 40,000 and on 50,000. In this problem we have commission. Here in last problems we have discussed on salary, but here in this problem we have information about commission. Whatever it is paid to the partners. So this will come at debit side of profit and loss appropriation account along with credit side of partners current account. And interest on drawings rupees 200 and rupees 150 respectively. Here the calculated amount of drawings is given, so we will take it directly into the profit and loss appropriation account along with current account. Net profit before adjustments is 14,000. Before all these adjustments, the net profit of the firm is 14,000 and it will comes at credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Here we have date, that is this profit and loss account net profit is 14,000 is on 31st/12/1996. So we have to prepare all accounts for the year 1996, that to 31st December. Drawings of Pramod is 5,000 and Vinod is 4,000. This information is necessary to prepare partners current account. Let's prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Let's prepare profit and loss appropriation for the year ending 31st/12/1996. We have taken this amount by considering this profit of the year, that to 31st/12/1996. The first entry in credit side is by profit and loss account. This will be the net profit of the firm or net profit of the partnership firm, that is 14,000. This 14,000 is the net profit of the firm, and that is transferred to profit and loss appropriation in credit side as by profit and loss account, that is in the net profit in the bracket and 14,000 in the outer column. In credit side we have another entry, that is by interest on drawings. By interest on drawings account of Pramod and Vinod. Interest on drawings of Pramod is 200 and Vinod is 150, because in next word we have respectively. That means the first amount belongs to first person and second amount belongs to second person. So we will consider 200 for Pramod and 150 for Vinod. Total amount is 350. We will write it in the outer column. In credit side we have entered all entries, because in credit side of profit and loss appropriation account the maximum is these two will be compulsory and other information has not given, so I will consider this. In debit side we will write as 2 interest on capital. Interest on capital account. The capital is 40,000 and 50,000 for Pramod and Vinod, and interest on capital is 6% per annum. Here is the percentage. So Pramod is rupees 40,000 and Vinod rupees 50,000. The interest on capital is given in the percentage, that is 6% per annum, is nothing but 6 divided by 100. Multiply their capital with interest percentage, then we will get 2,400 interest on capital of Pramod and 3,000 rupees as interest on capital of Vinod. And in the next sentence we have commission of 2,400 per annum paid to Pramod. The commission is paid to Pramod, that is 2,400 per annum. So we will consider as 2 commission to or else we can consider as Pramod's commission account, that is 2,400 is paid to Pramod as commission. Then the required information for profit and loss appropriation account is transferred to this account by this information given in the problem, and we have to totally, the total amount is 14,350. Here is 14,350. This 14,350 should be subtracted with, these amounts should be subtracted with this total amount, and we will get, after subtracting this amount, we will get amount of 6,550. This 6,550 is profit shared to both the partners after these all adjustments. So we have to write in this debit side of profit and loss appropriation account as to partners capital account, because the amount or the profit whichever is transferred or shared to partners will be transferred to partners capital account. First one is Pramod, another one is Vinod. The profit shared both the partners is 6,550 and 6,550. The ratio is 2:3. That means for Pramod share is 2 and Vinod share is 3. 2/5 and 3/5. 2,620 will be the profit shared to Pramod and 3,930 will be the profit which is shared to Vinod. This is all about profit and loss appropriation account, and now we have to prepare partners current account under both the method, that is fixed method and fluctuating capital method. First, we will prepare partners current account under fixed capital method. Under partners fixed capital method, we have to prepare two accounts, that is partners capital account and partners current account. Partners capital account. In this account, we have to transfer all capital of the partners by balance brought down because this is the capital which is belongs to the opening year of the or by balance brought down. Amount is 40,000 for Pramod and 50,000 for Vinod. In the problem, no additional capital is brought by any partners, so we will close this account. 40,000 and 50,000. 40,000 and 50,000. Here the balancing amount will be to balance carried down for the next year of partners capital account. amount will be 14,000 and 50,000. So by balance brought down 14,000 by 50,000. Now we have to prepare partners current account. In partners current account, accept partners capital. The capital which is contributed by the partners will be excluded and other all information will be entered in the partners current account under fixed capital method. The entries of profit and loss appropriation account will be transferred to partners current account, but all credit side entries will be debited to partners current account, and all debit entries will be transferred in the credit side of partners current account. But the profit of the firm will be not transferred to any other account because the profit of the firm already shared with the partners of the firm. So the partnership firm profit will be not transferred to any other account of the partners. Here, 2. The net profit and loss account will be not transferred, but instead of that, interest on drawings will be transferred. At the same time, the drawings amount should also transfer to partners current account. So we will write to drawings account or partners drawings account. The amount is 5,000 for Pramod and 4,000 for Vinod. Then interest on drawings account is 200 and 150. 2. Interest on drawings account, that is 200 and 150. Then the debit side entries are 2 interest on capital. Here in credit side we will enter as by interest on capital. Amount is 2,400 and 3,000. 2,400 and 3,000. Then the firm has given commission to Pramod, so we have to write as by commission. The commission has paid to Pramod only, so we will write 2,400 in Pramod's column and the Vinod column is nil. Then the partners capital account, that is the profit shared to the partners will be transferred to partners current account as by profit or loss appropriation account. amount is 2620 and 3930. 2620 and 3930. After this, we have to total it. The total amount of Pramod will be, the total amount for Pramod column will be 7420. The same amount will be written in this side, that is 7420. And then the amount of the total of Pramod is 6930. And here also we will write 6930. Here we have to write the balancing figure as to balance carried down. The balancing amount of Pramod is 2220. And the balancing amount of Vinod is 2780. This is the preparation of partners current account as well as partners capital account under fixed capital method. And now we will prepare partners current account and partners drawings account under fluctuating capital method. For that, the information in the profit and loss appropriation account is needed. So, this portion will be erased, but the profit and loss appropriation account will be remains same. Let's prepare under fluctuating capital method or system. Under fluctuating capital method, the capital of the firm or capital of partners will be transferred in this account. There is no separate account for transferring capital of the firm. So, in preparing partners capital account, we have two methods. One is fixed capital method and another one is fluctuating capital method. In fixed capital method, we have to prepare two accounts, that is partners capital account along with partners current account. In partners capital account under fixed capital method, we have to transfer all capital amount of the partners only. And in partners current account, we will transfer all incomes and expenses or payments and receipts of the partners of the firm. In fluctuating capital method, in this method also we have to prepare two methods. In this we have to prepare partners current account. In this account we will transfer every account related with the partners, and we have to prepare another account called partners drawings account. In that we will enter only drawings amount which is withdrawn by the partners. Here, the first entry is by balance brought down. Amount is the capital amount of the partners will be transferred, that is 40,000 and 50,000 respectively. For Pramod 40,000 and for Vinod 50,000. Then all credit side entries of profit and loss appropriation account will be transferred in the debit side of partners capital account, and all debit side entries of profit and loss appropriation account will be transferred in the credit side of partners capital account. But the net profit will be not transferred to these capital accounts because this net profit is already shared with partners of the firm. So this net profit or the profit shared with the profit shared to partners will be transferred in the credit side of partners capital account. So there is no need to transfer net profit to partners capital account. Instead of that, we have to transfer the drawings amount which is drawn by the partners as to drawings account or to partners drawings account. Amount is 5,000 and 4,000. Then interest on drawings is here. So interest on drawings account amount is 200 and 150. Then this debit side entries will be transferred in the credit side of partners capital account. First one is interest on capital by interest on capital account. Amount is 2,400 and 3,000. 2,400 and 3,000. Then commission paid to Pramod by commission account is 2,400 paid to Pramod only. Then we have profit shared to partners. So we will write this entry as by profit or loss appropriation account. Amount is 2,620 and 3,930. We have to totally, then we will get 56,930 and 47,420. The same amount will be entered in the debit side, that is 47,420 and 56,930. The balancing amount will be written as to balance carried on. Amount is 42,220 and here amount will be 52,780. 52,780 is the balancing amount of Vinod and 42,220 is the balancing amount of Pramod. Then we have to prepare partners drawings account. partners drawings account, the amount which is withdrawn by the partners will be entered in the partners drawings account. In this side we will write by partners capital account, because partners capital account is debited to drawings account, then the amount is 5,000 and 4,000. In whole year, only one time they drawn their amount as drawings. So we will close this 5,000 and 4,000, 5,000 and 4,000. So here to bank account, amount is 5,000 and 4,000. This is all about preparing partners capital account under fixed capital method as well as under fluctuating capital method. Along with that we have